Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 16th, 2020, and so this is our surprise cantaloupe plant that came up here, and we had our compost, and we had thrown some cantaloupe seeds out in the compost, and when we put it in for our new potato patch, a cantaloupe came up on its own. Now we did already harvest one off. We had to. The rind split on it, and I have a video on my channel of that one, and you know, of it being cut and stuff. But here's a cantaloupe that's still left on. Now when this is done, the stem will peel like away from the fruit.
This shit right here will peel off.
Hold on here.
It will just release.
The stem right there will just release. And when it does that, it's really ripe. Now if it splits, you will have to take them off. Now you can see here the deer were munching on this. We did fence it from the deer, and there's a skunk that's around. So you can see there are tracks there. So they're coming up to it, and hopefully we have some 30-degree temperatures coming that it will be able to survive through, that we don't get a frost. 32 degrees.
Yeah, we got 2 more weeks left. Probably 4.
So we have some cold temperatures coming. It was already in the 30s, and this is down in the hollow garden, so it got even cooler down here. It was like 36, I think, up at the top, and this is down in the hollow, so it was cooler down here, but it made it through. And we have about 2 more weeks before this is going to be ready. So hopefully it makes it through. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.